at a property today and there's some damp problems internally, and you can see it's a mid-terraced house and you've got downpipe coming down. This one you can see, next one is down there, and you can see as you go along here there's nothing on the return on that one as well at the end. There's a lot of water coming down here, so this is an obvious potential cause to damp at the base of the wall internally. So just going to show you some real basic stuff. So you can see there's a little bit of modern paint there, and there's some plastic sheeting instead of Turan, and the ground level's a bit high, so it's always going to stop evaporation. You're going to get a lot of moisture building up there as well. And we just put a hose pipe on, and we've got drain cameras down there. So what we're actually looking at in this here, you can just see down in here, you've got an open joint just in that little corner there. There's also another one down there, but also what's more concerning is you've got a completely displaced joint there, and you can just see it's a little bit of yellow underneath. That's the green dye on there. That is actually all running underneath the pipe, so there's no connection whatsoever, so all that water that's running down is literally going down there. And it's easy to trace stuff like this because these cameras have got sondes on, so we can actually then completely tell you exactly, so we know where they're like 69 centimetres, 60 centimetres beneath the ground level there, so we know that's where you need a repair. But this is just some basic observations, but you know, you could do some of this stuff yourself. You get a hose pipe, pick the drains up, have a little looky, check the connections down there. And there was an old tree there, you can see it's been kicked up now. There was a few roots there, but you know, have a little looky for the basic stuff. And you know, one big tip, if it's hammering down with rain, get a hose and get an umbrella, have a little look and look for all these weeping joints. Sometimes you get them on the joints of the downpipes, but basic stuff. Thanks for watching.